Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can password protect chats in WhatsApp. I'll be going over what method we're going to be using, why you should bother with locking your chats if you don't already consider it, and some additional tips on how to make sure that your phone and privacy is protected. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you're like me, you probably have a ton of conversations on WhatsApp. Some of them are just silly chats with friends, but others might have sensitive information of things that you'd rather be kept private. So did you know that there's actually a way to lock individual WhatsApp chats behind a password? Even though WhatsApp itself does not have a built-in feature to password protect your entire application. And for that, we're gonna uncover a clever workaround to lock in specific chats, the ones that you really want to be kept under wraps. And this lock feature is only as secure as the password, fingerprint, or Face ID that you use for your phone itself. So why even bother with locking your chats? And for that, there are loads of reasons that you might want to consider this extra privacy, such as maybe you share your phone with family or friends and you'd rather prefer some conversations just stay between you and the other person. And even if someone doesn't mean to pry, they might see message previews pop up or accidentally open a chat when you've got your phone unlocked. Or especially if you discuss sensitive information like business details or health stuff, then a locked chat is good added layer of protection. Now keep in mind that this method only works if your phone itself has strong security, so a password or PIN that is strong, or if for example you have fingerprint or Face ID on your phone itself. Now onto WhatsApp itself, you want to open the application. After that, head over to these settings, and depending on whether you have an iPhone or Android, you will find settings in slightly different places. However, on iPhone as of right now, you want to open up the chat specifically that you want to lock, and then tap on top of the number or the profile in order to open it. Scroll down a little bit until you see lock chat, and then you want to enable this option. After that, you will get a confirmation based on the kind of protection that you already have on your phone, as I mentioned earlier. So if you normally unlock your phone using Face ID, then that will be the way how you unlock this chat. Or if you have a PIN code that you would prefer to lock your phone with, then you would have to use that instead. Once enabled and set up, you will now see a new tab on your WhatsApp application called Locked Chats. And if I want to access it, then I would have to tap on it and then use my Face ID protection. And then all of my locked chats will become visible and I can access them again. And there you have it, you can easily add a layer of security to your WhatsApp chats with the built-in chat lock feature. Let us know in the comment section down below whether you'll be using this feature. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.